Hello guys, so I'm here now. So that's and I taste this kind of bread here in the Philippines. It's in right away na itong coffee, 3-in-1 coffee cook, blend coffee cook blend so tikman natin ito. It is the bread made here in the Philippines. So, malaki-laki na. Ito, 20 pesos here in the Philippines. Big cheese. Yeah. More air inside. So, you can taste this kind of bread here in the Philippines. Delicious. And this coffee, incredible. This is coffee and tastes good. I like it so much. It's good. So, gabiyahin ko itong ginagawa ng mga Pilipino na yan, ito coffee bread. Isasaw-saw ko din eh. Sasaw-saw ko. And oh, good. Very delicious. Kaya bilib ako sa mga Pilipino. Mga Pilipino sa Saudi, napakagulo. So, nakikita ko kasi sa mga Pilipino doon na pag nakain sila ng tinapay at may kape, so, nakikita ko sinasawsaw nila itong tinapay sa coffee. So, galiyahin natin. Ano? Delicioso. Tara, merienda tayo mga ilaw.